Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how I organized the roof pouring in southern Mexico. We're going to start by showing you how the steel was put in. After that, we're going to show you exactly how it went, so let's dive in. Here we are the day before we're pouring the roof. We got the whole team finishing the rebar out here. After that, we made sure that all the cement was unloaded and in the right spot for the morning. Watering the roof this morning, getting all the wood wet before we pour it. The electricity's in, pipes are in, everything's good to go. The machine got here a little later than we hoped. It was about 8 o'clock. Getting started here with Miguel.
Hi guys, good morning. Here we're showing the way that we pour in our roof. It's a big team that we gathered today. We got about 18 people pouring, mixing, carrying. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of all the process, how they carry all this. The mixing. The big guy Noah. That's the process. With in the end of the day, all this gravel and all this sand will be used because it takes a lot of material. So we gotta take out. As you see in a second, I'm gonna show you how we got all this river going, mixing over here. All this is part of the process.
Almost halfway done with the pour. Two guys making the flat here. A couple guys pouring. Super hot day. Still like 9:30 in the morning. But we're gonna get it done because we're organized. Here we're already over halfway done. Everybody's tired, but we gotta push through and finish the job. Finishing up the last of it. Ya, acabándolo. We're finishing up the roof. Last couple bags. I'm here doing the last part of the job, watering the slab about 4 hours after got the roof poured. It's important to do this so it doesn't dry too quickly and then it's gonna start cracking on you. You gotta do it I try to do it for a week and 3 times a day, in the morning, then around 2, then like around like 5. That way just be sure that your slab's not gonna dry too quickly, and especially since it's super sunny here, the heat hits it all day. Alright, so that's how I organized this roof pouring, and thanks for watching. Hope you got value from the video.